Hi everyone, this is Brian Trafficanti from GardenMinutes.com, and this is Easy Growing episode number 26. On today's episode, I'm going to be planting Swiss chard in our raised garden. Swiss chard is that leafy green that has a red, yellow, sometimes a purplish colored stem on it. The flavor of Swiss chard is that of spinach, and then the stem itself is a bit sweeter. So when planting, you're going to want to plant 4 per garden grid watering system square, basically 4 plants grow per square foot. And you're going to want to maintain consistent soil moisture. So if it doesn't rain, what we'll do is typically water for about 5 to 10 minutes every day. As the plant grows, you can continually harvest it throughout the season. Once the leaf is about 4 inches long, it's fine to harvest. And basically you can harvest this plant continually until you hit a hard frost. So we'll go ahead and start planting it in our garden now, and let's see how it goes.